Hi, so I'm here. I'm at the William Harvey. Look, this is one. I'll just show you this. This is where our taxi's going on. One of the unbuilt Nightingale hospitals. It's on scaffolding. Look at it. Right, so I'm here. I'm just going to go in and find out where I've got to be. It's packed around here. There's all parking wardens. Let's get in there. Main entrance. Right, I should keep you updated. You won't get this until I get back because I've got no credit on this phone. There's no point putting credit on it. I'll just use it on Wi-Fi at home. I'll message you off my wanky hotline. I've got that one there. It's got credit on it. Love you. Oh, glad. I'm going to go in without one and see if anyone says anything.